And another page here is this. Yeah, it is agent login page where every film industry has agents, right? If an agent want to log in here, they have to log in here. After they got logins, the database will be open here, the agent approval page. Like agent want to onboard, we have to approve, like approve or pending. The backend data process is not done yet. We are doing right now, but the process was this. Like all agents are here who are willing to join. We will give them to access. Once they will be join here, it has some process. Okay. Right now, I just know about these details about this project because I recently joined about this company. Abhishek is main developer who are developed the entire app application. Is the Srikanth sir is there in this meeting? Oh, hello, Rahul Shitara. Thank you. Yeah, tell me.
Gopi, what is the backend language here? And what is the database
Yeah,
schema?
we are using Superbase for backend. As of now, I know that because Abhishek is the main developer, he is handling everything. He is giving small tasks for us because we are recently joined freshers in this company.
Okay.
Abhishek is main developer, and there is some other persons. Right, kindly, they are not available today. I think that's why start tell me to explain the process. The concept is like every who are willing to join film industries, like it is like LinkedIn profile for film industry.
Okay. So it
Yeah,
may content
Hello.
all like the artist, right? The producer,
yeah,
director. Okay.
yeah, all the aspects. If someone big director or hero are visible to this
Let,
TV app,
let
they will choose the
me,
director, budget plans, something like that. They decided to directly contact them like that. Basically, everyone details and profiles video sections are present in this app. That's the
yes,
plan of this subject. Yeah, Ratnaja.
yes, I want to explain about the project right now. It is based on the Filmcast Pro. The name is Filmcast Pro project name. It's a professional networking platform that connects the individual of every member, film members, and the opportunities of the film members. To know the amount of the actors and directors, their schedule is busy or not. Actors like small character actors and everything, like designer, investors, agents, in cameraman, everything is added in this project. We know about this schedule is busy or not, in which time they will be free. In this project, we are working about this members and which time they will be free. When past 3 months or next 3 months, the schedule will be. We know the schedule in the Filmcast Pro app. Is there any doubt about the app?
So
Hello?
it is basically related to the appointment and the further enhancement, right?
When
In
you
the
are
film
casting a
industry.
film, we wanted to know about the actors, when they are free. We want to take the dates of the actors when they will be free. We will see in the app. They will be free if they this amount of the time past 3 months, August, September. We have to take the dates of the like that.
Okay.
Yeah, in simple language, if you are planning for cinema, you will visit this app and you will plan for the entire budget sections, which heroes, which actors, which heroine, or entire crew team and production team departments, other teams, there are available in this app. You choose them and fix your cinema, which is perfect like that. We are creating the availability platform for the cinema industries and who are willing to do the cinemas or something, short films, like anything like that.
Okay. Thanks, Gopi.
Yeah, thank you. Just a minute, I will contact Srikanth sir.
And
Yeah,
what
I'm
is
here,
the
Gopi.
status on the development, right? I mean, project is completed or few functionality are in the progress?
No, the
Undergoing.
project is in middle staging process. We are developing daily.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks, Gopi and Ratnaja. Okay, unfortunately, we don't have
Okay.
Abhishek here. He's
Yeah.
supposed
Yes.
to join. He's supposed to join, but I think he got power issues, I believe. Okay, so that's an overview about the project, guys. Hope Gopi had showed the front end UI. And Gopi and Ratnaja, you are not part of the projects group. I'll add you to the community group as well, where all the project updates will be posted. Okay, so you can share the URL of the link. Okay, URL of the UAT, or if you have test, better you share the test environment URL. Okay, nothing
Okay.
wrong if you share the UAT link. Okay, just share the UAT link there, and then I want you to separate the Git repository and share it with the team, so that they will be using it for testing the DevOps implementation. Later on, we can configure the same.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. The trainer is asking me to provide the link. Let me see if he wanted to join this project session. It's not required. Anyway, the training will be started at 8 p.m. Okay. So you guys can join. Deepak will be the trainer there. Okay. So I think that's it for just the introduction from the development team. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we shall start working on the project planning for DevSecOps. Okay, so there is already a draft, as I told you. So we shall review the draft and get it updated and start implementing from tomorrow, if time permits. Okay, thank you guys. You can drop off, and whoever are joining, yeah, Rahul, go on.
Srikant, can you just add me in the project tractor list under Filmcast Pro? My name is not there.
Under development, that will plan. That's what I'm saying. Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow we'll add everybody's name. Okay, we
Got
shall
it.
have a new project plan for DevSecOps. As of now, there are two project plans there. The old draft of DevSecOps implementation for FCP and software developers tracker. We shall not touch the software developers tracker. That will be taken care by Abhishek, Gopi, Ratnaja, Anusha, and
Oh,
team. Okay.
got it. Got
Yeah.
it. Got it. Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, Rahul. Okay, guys, you guys can drop off, and whoever are joining the training session, just resume it as 8 p.m. Okay. The link is shared in the respective group. Bye for now.
Yeah, okay.